Hello friends, good morning. How to make 2025 your most profitable year. So as we approach 2025, it's time to talk about how we can make this year the most profitable one yet. The real estate industry is constantly evolving, and staying ahead of the curve is key to maximizing your success. Here are some strategies to help you set the stage for a prosperous year 2025. So first, set clear and achievable goals. Successful realtors know exactly what they want to accomplish, whether it's closing a certain number of deals, expanding your client base, or diversifying your portfolio. Write down your goals and break them into actionable steps. Remember, a goal without a plan is just a wish. Second, strengthen your online presence. In 2025, more clients than ever will start their property search online. Make sure your social media profiles, website, and listing are up to date, engaging, and mobile friendly. High quality photos and virtual tours are now industry standards, so don't hesitate to invest in top notch visuals. Third, be the local market expert. Buyers and sellers want a realtor who knows the ins and outs of their area. Familiarize yourself with local trends, social districts, upcomings, developments, and neighborhood features. This level of expertise will set you apart from the competition and earn you the trust of your clients. Networking is essential. Attend industry conferences, join local business groups, and stay in touch with past clients. Referral and repeat business are powerful revenue drivers, so keep nurturing your network and staying visible in your community. Next, focus on client experience. Make 2025 the year you prioritize exceptional customer service. Listen closely to your clients' needs. Communicate proactively and keep them informed throughout the buying or selling process. A happy client is not only a repeat client but also your best marketer. Embrace technology and data analytics. Use tools to track leads, automate follow-ups, and streamline your workflow. Analytics can help you identify trends and make data-driven decisions that increase your efficiency and profitability. Stay updated on the latest CRM systems and real estate software that can make your work easier and more productive. And most importantly, keep learning. The real estate market can change overnight due to economic shifts, interest rate changes, or new regulations. Attend workshops, complete certification courses, and always be ready to adapt. Continuous learning will give you a competitive edge and help you provide more value to your clients. So making 2025 your most profitable year will require a mix of goal setting, smart use of technology, exceptional client service, and continuous learning. Stay proactive, stay passionate, and most importantly, believe in your ability to achieve greatness. Let's make 2025 not just a year of profit, but a year where we grow as a professionals, build stronger relationships, and set new benchmarks in our careers. Thank you. Please subscribe. See you in next video. Bye bye. Take care.